3D fonts always look super attractive and instantly grab attention. But guess what? Creating them is way easier than you think. We all understand the concept of light and shadow, right? Imagine this letter is an object, and the light is coming from this direction. So naturally, the shadow will fall in the opposite direction. The same way, first, I'm writing a simple block letter. Keep it clean and bold. Now comes the fun part, adding the shadow. Just extend the edges in the direction opposite to the light and connect them. That's it. Boom, done. Looks cool, right? And all it took was a basic shape and some shadow lines. You've got to try this out for yourself. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be adding 3D effects to everything. If you enjoyed this 3D text tutorial, don't forget to check out the links in the description. I've added the bubble text font shorts and the full video for more inspiration and ideas. Happy creating!